Why is it always on my 4-pound test? So I landed real quick. I was trying to make my way back into this little area that is now a creek. It used to be, a big kind of a catchment area. The beaver has dammed up everything back behind here. Let's see if I can get down and look at it from this side. Yeah, look, he's made some stumps right here. I better be careful. They're like punji sticks. Look at a little sharp beaver, man. The beaver's doing some work. But I don't know if we want this dammed up. See, he's got it going now. This is the kind of stuff I don't manage to get on film. I just jigging in the cold weather and pulling out a couple decent bass. Finally got one really, really nice fella here. He's good looking. We're gonna let him go though. He's cold. All right, buddy, you out of there? Thank you. Now I'm over here where we normally launch. It's a brisk 42. I think this is the max temp it's gonna get today. Temp is gonna start dropping like right as the sun starts going down. But I've caught a couple. That's a much smaller one than the first one I got. I'm hoping this is a little honey hole. It's a windy but thankfully sunny day. Oh, there's a bass. Little guy, feisty little guy though. And he came up and just chomped it. Hey, chill. Thank you. Pretty little fella. He's got a nice tail. He's healthy looking. Go get big. Thank you. Well, it took forever, but I finally got a bass on my way back in. So I'm about to call it a day. I got stuff to do. I just wanted to go try for some fish real quick. Thank you, Mr. Bass. See you later, buddy. We're starting to officially thaw out from the freeze here. And my line isn't gonna freeze as I reel it in. So this is really the first day I've been able to fish in quite some time. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the camera on. I didn't even really want to bring it, but I'm glad I did. There's ice over here. Ours is pretty well gone. I didn't expect. There's a decent amount all across that shoreline over there as well. So, interesting. But yeah, very cool. Hooked a turtle and brought him in. And he's unhooked, but I think he still thinks he's hooked. Now he's like digging his way down. What are you doing, dude? You're free now. You can go. He's pretty neat. Let's see what he thinks of me getting close to him. Oh, dude, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right, buddy. We got a fondness for red-eared sliders. I had 4. Alright, sleepy man, I know it's cold for you. I'm sorry I wasted so much of your energy. Hopefully this little bit of sunlight helps you out. Oh, his buddy's over here. Not the geese, this other turtle with his head out looking kind of mad at me. I didn't mean to do it, Mr. Turtle. It was an accident. But yeah, he's free. He's going so slow. He is sluggish with the cold. Did manage to get a icy cold bass, and there's ice right in front of me. I'm gonna have to. I don't want to slide him across the ice. That's not very nice. I'm gonna toss him. All right, buddy. Here you go. Thank you, friend. Well, I thought I was gonna get skunked today. This is good news. It's the only real fish I've got today. I've gotten a lot of fish, but none like this guy. Woo, he's good. All right. got a scar. Somebody bird struck him. You're okay, buddy. Don't worry. You're tensing up. I know. Okay. All right. You ready to go? Okay, come on. You out of there? See, bud. Thank you. Dude, he totally struck the bottom of my boat. Dude, barely hooked, and I'm at the wrong aspect ratio. Oh, hey, buddy. You're barely hooked, dude. Let me get you. Come on. There we go. I can't even see what I'm filming. What a pretty fish, though. All right. A little better. It's not easy to strip line like the way I want to. Oh, got him. There he is. There we go. It's a good fish, whatever it is. Uh-oh, he's coming at me now. Ah, good crappie. Really good crappie. For out of my lake, this is the biggest I think I've ever gotten out of here. Yeah, we're breeding them good now. Yeah, I might have to weigh you. All right, can I be quick with it and not screw up like last time? I do have a lip grip again. It's my other lip grip. Here, I need to back away from all of this. Man, I don't know. You're too pretty. I don't think I'm gonna even worry about it. I don't care about your weight. You're amazing. You're definitely the best I've ever caught out of my lake. Thank you, brother. Keep getting big, man. Go make some more babies. Oh, wow, you're tiny, dude. Thank you. There we go, another little guy. Oh, he's a little bit bigger. Hold on. I'm gonna start fighting them like actual fish. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Another little crappie. Not bad. Little crap. Thank you, buddy. All the food I throw out. Little brim. Oh, yeah. How are they doing? Yeah. Oh, got him. Another brim. Oh, I lost him, dang. Just trying to figure out. Oh, I got him. There he is. Oh, a little bitty. I lose them every time when I try to do that. There we go. Little bluegill. Thank you. I'm on another big bass. I'm letting him just ride it out. I am on a tiny jig. So I'm just letting him ride it out right now. I gotta bring this in. Uh-oh. Damn, that's a big old fella. Uh-oh. I don't want to ruin this one, man. I have my saltwater grips on. Doug!
He'll get to see the video at some point. If I can land him. I'm just tiring him out right now. I gotta get these lip grips ready. Wow, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Oof, yeah, she's not ready just yet. Why is it always on my 4-pound test? Come on, yeah, she's a good one. Alright, come on, baby girl. No. Alright, oh, she is just barely hooked too. Come on. Yeah, I got you. Oh yeah, that's probably even better than the last one. She might not weigh as much as the last one though, so I gotta be careful. There we go. Let's get on out here. All right, calm and easy this time, huh? Alright, let's put you right over here. Why are you not wanting to reel in? Alright, Miss Bass, I'm gonna set you down for just a sec, right in the boat. You're gonna be okay. Alright. Oh, here you go. You hang out for just a sec, okay? Okay? I'm holding much tighter this time. I gotta get to my scale. I gotta weigh her. There's another one here. There's another big one right over here. Alright, let's see. Oh, no. She's humping now. There we go. Okay, she's definitely not touching. Alright, 4 pounds 4. So she's exactly 4 pounds. She's not quite as big as the last one. But what a beauty. What a beauty. Look at that mouth. Oh yeah. What a beaut. You smell delicious too. Alright, baby girl, here. Let me know when you're ready. There you go. Let me know when you're ready. It's okay. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Let me know when you're ready. You ready, girl? There you go. Ah, bless you. Bless you, beautiful bass. Alright. Gotta get back right on the horse if something bad happens, man. Just gotta keep going. Oh, for record. Oh, it didn't. I reset it. It was 4 pounds exactly. You can take my word for it or not. I genuinely weigh stuff, so at least you know I'm actually doing that.